the statistic that explains why most freelancers stay broke. Here's a tough pill to swallow. Most freelancers never make it past survival mode. And there's one shocking statistic that explains why. According to Upwork, more than 70% of freelancers earn less than $50,000 a year. That sounds okay until you realize many of them are working 40 to 60 hours a week. The headline is simple. Most freelancers stay broke because they sell their time instead of selling results. They compete on price, not value. And when you compete on price, someone cheaper always wins. Here's the aha moment. Clients don't pay for hours. They pay for outcomes. They pay for copy that sells, ads that convert, and websites that bring in customers. If your offer is based on time, you'll always hit a ceiling. So how do you break out of the trap? Here are 3 steps. Step 1. Package your skills into outcomes. Instead of saying I write blogs for $20 an hour, say I create content that drives organic traffic and boosts conversions. This works because you connect your work to results, not effort. Step 2. Learn the basics of copywriting. Strong copy makes the difference between clients seeing you as a cost or an investment. This works because words are what sell, not the hours you put in. Step 3. Use tools that make you faster and sharper. AI can help you brainstorm, write, and polish in minutes instead of hours. This works because the faster you deliver quality, the more clients you can serve without burning out. But here's the problem. Most freelancers waste hours staring at blank screens trying to come up with the perfect copy. That's the problem. It gets worse when deadlines pile up and your income still doesn't grow. The frustration builds, and many give up or settle for low rates just to survive. But there's a solution. AI Creator Max has over 100 templates for titles, blogs, ads, and emails. They're all built on proven psychology like ADA, PAS, and more. Just answer a few questions, hit generate, and your copy is ready. It helps you write 10x faster and finally charge for value instead of hours. Try it free today. Link below. Bonus tip. Position yourself as a partner, not a vendor. Clients pay more when they see you as someone who grows their business, not just someone filling tasks. And here's a light moment. If you're still charging by the hour, it's like selling buckets of water while someone else is selling access to the faucet. Now you know the statistic that explains why most freelancers stay broke and the exact steps to avoid it. This video is part of a mini course playlist designed to help you master copywriting and AI for business growth. So binge the rest of the series to get the full playbook. If you found this helpful, like this video, subscribe, and comment with your biggest freelancing challenge right now. And don't wait until next year to change your income. Apply what you learned today and try AI Creator Max free at aicreatormax.com. Because the future belongs to freelancers who charge for results, not hours.